Okay, 107, they want us to solve equations, so let's start with A, right? So I'm going to multiply that left two binomials, so that's FOIL, right? X times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and then on the right hand we have equals x squared minus 10. So, like terms, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals x squared minus 10. Subtract x squared from both sides, right? So that goes away. 5x plus 6 equals negative 10. Subtract 6, 5x equals negative 16. Right, and then I'm just going to go here, which I don't like you to do, but x equals negative 16 fifths, right, for A. Okay, for B, let me make space. B, we have 1/2, 1/3, we have 6 in there. Let's multiply everything by 6, right? So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation times 6, right? Oh, times 6, right? Okay, so 1/2 times 6 is 3x. 1/3 times 6 is 2x. 7 times, plus 2x. Minus 7 times 6 is 42. Equals 6 times 6 is 5x, right? Okay, just get rid of our fractions. Okay, so like terms, we have 5x minus 42 equals 5x. Subtract 5x from both sides, and I'm left with negative 42 equals 0. And I ask myself, when does negative 42 equal 0? Never. So it's no solution for B. Okay, for C, let's make space. C, we have 2x minus 1 equals 9. Remember, we split that into 2, right? When I have 2x minus 1 equals 9, we split it into 2. The first one, we just strip off the absolute values, and the second one, we strip off the absolute value and make the right-hand side negative. So now we solve each one. Add 1, 2x equals 10, x equals 5. This one, 2x equals negative 8, x equals negative 4. So it's in set notation, negative 4 and 5. Are the solutions. There's 2 solutions. And the last one, let's make space. D, we have x plus 1 over 3, x plus 1 over 3 equals x over 2. I think it's easiest to cross multiply, right? So I get 2 times x plus 1 equals 3 times x. Distribute 2x plus 2 equals 3x. Subtract 2x from both sides, we get 2 equals 3x minus 2x is x, and we're done. X equals 2, right?